48 and 58.8 para sa Solid One in action. Meria now. Meria. Nakita si Mr. Rodriguez na wala ang bola. Sa one. Bulat pass para Mr. Dizon. He say 3 seconds violation. Gara to Mr. Gabriel. Good for 2 para Mr. Gabriel, 6.8. 5 minutes and 45. Dizon now to Mr. David. Back to Mr. Dizon. Dizon painting to shoot Mr. David. De Rosano stand to shoot Mr. Pagaduan. Good for 2 para Mr. Pagaduan. Meria now. Meria. Meria from the parking lot. 3 points. Five-point lead. Good for 2 para Mr. Gabriel. Solid One is 149-52, 3-point lead. Time remaining 4 minutes and 55, 4 minutes and 55.